This
So which is one of
conference
the
will now be recorded.
important topic here, LSW. Okay, what is this LSW and how to handle the LSW? We'll see in today's session. So before going to start this LSW, so generally the LSW is a tool here. Okay, so when we are using, see mostly in real time. So we have a topic called. So in fact today we started real time unit to failure. LSW is a real time topic only. So we will means we need to define the org elements here. Like as a function consultant, consultant, we need to define the plants, we need to maintain the store locations, purchasing organization, purchase group. There's only one-time setups here. But master data, it is not only some 2-3 records. So we have 100, 200, thousands of materials, hundreds of vendors. We need to upload in the system here. So it is not possible manually to define all these master data. So what is the alternate here? The LS&W. By using LS&W, we need to upload the master data in the system. So what is LS&W? Who is going to handle? So in real time, purely LS&W will be handled by the purely technical people. But the last couple of years, like I can say, last some 5 to 6 years. So this LS&W also will be handled by the function consultant. Whenever the technical people are busy, okay, I don't want to depend on every time technical people. So if suppose couple of materials or any master data or transition data, you can upload by using LS&W. LS&W and BDC. These both are to uploading the master data. Where we are using LS&W and BDC to upload the master data. The BDC means batch data conversion here. BDC means batch data conversion. Okay. LS&W means legacy system migration workbench here. But LS&W will be handled by the technical and functional module. But BDC will be handled by the purely technical people, not by the functional people. Whereas BDC related to coding part here. Okay, so we are not able to do BDC, but I'll what is in our BDC, what is the our role also? Let me explain, don't worry. But today we'll plan for LS&W. Okay. So what is the transition code? How to perform this LS&W? We'll discuss in today's session. Okay. Meanwhile, first, if I want to perform the LS&W, let me go to the column. It's already server is on. So simply type as a LS&W. LS&W transition code itself LS&W. Okay. Go to LS&W. Now, when you are going to create LS&W, so first of all, we need to define a project, subproject, and objective. Okay. So we need to define a project, subtract an object here. Okay, so previously I created so gross underscore test and batch. Okay, this what I will do, I'll create a new project here. Okay, the project name you need to give it. So global underscore. Okay, so yeah, global underscore project. So global underscore project here. So global underscore sub project, and this is some global materials. So here when you are first time we are preparing, so what you need to do, just you give the product name and you need to give the subtract name and you need to give the object name. But when you are giving, so we need to keep in your mind. So if you give some 20 letters, example, here I need to give some 18 letters. Means you should not give, suppose here you give the 10 letters, okay, 10 characteristics. Subtract, it should not be more than 10 letters. So this is what we need to understand here. First you need to click on execute here. When you click on execute, immediately the system will give you error message here. What is the error message system is getting here? No product with the name global underscore. Yes, because first time we are creating, right? Definitely the system will give the error message. Now what I need to do? I need to click on create here. Okay. So click on create. Here what I need to enter here. So simply we are uploading the master data, right? So master data upload. Okay. Uploads. Anything, any description you can write. So master data uploads for global company. So it's not authorized to product global product. Oh, so in this server, somebody is restricting to prepare not LSMW. Let me off the server. I'll go with another server. Okay, don't worry. Let me go with another server. In this server, some restrictions is there. What is the other server? I'll go with server. Okay, in that server, some restrictions is there. LSMW. So here now, what is the project you define? Globe underscore project here. Globe underscore sub project. So these are going to define. Execute. You'll get a message. Click on create. What is the here? Master data. Uploads. Global company. Okay. So here material master. So material master upload. Okay. Something you can enter the description here. So now you need to click on execute. Now you'll find these steps here. We have so many steps will be there. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, up to this is enough here. And 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 steps is there. Don't worry. Okay, nobody will not ask what are the steps here, how many number of tests here. Just observe. Right. So we are into the first step, right? So when you are doing the first step, so automatically last action will be updated. So in which date, which time, which user is created, it will be updated here. Okay, simply you need to click on execute here. Now if you click on execute here, see here, now this is in display mode here. From display mode to what I need to do? I need to go to the change mode. For each and every step, we need to go to change mode. See here we have 4 methods. The first one is a standard or direct input method. This is one method. The second one is a batch input recording method. Third one is the business object method. And third one is IDAC. So remaining 3 methods, as a function consultant, we are not able to create remaining 3 methods. Because this first method and third and fourth methods are program related. So which method is suitable for us? Batch input recording method is suitable for us. Okay. So just you need to select this batch input recording method and click on recordings overview. Simply you need to click on recordings overview. So I need to create the recordings here. So click on create here. Okay. What is my recording name? The recording name is simply you can write record one. You can enter recording name is recording name. Anything you can enter here. Okay. So some XYZ you can write here. So record. This is my recording name is record. Okay. So what is the description here? Test or you can write material master. You are doing material master uploads. Okay. Simply click on continue. Now system will ask the transition code. System will ask the transition code. So which transition code you want to record? Material master, right? Go to MM01. Now you need to enter that. Go to MM01. When you go to MM01, the system will take to you automatically MM01 screen here. So this screen need to be recorded. Okay. So now come to here, enter the industry sector. Come to here, so enter the raw material. Now click on continue. Okay, the screen is recorded already. Okay, now come to basic data, purchasing, general plant store location, accounting. Now go to org level. Okay, which plant you want to record here? 1000 plant. Store location here. 1000 store. Okay. Again, you click on continue. So this is actually some test one material. Okay, this is some test one material. What is your base unit of measure PC? What is your material group here? 001. And what is your buyer group, purchase group? 000. Okay, so enter your valuation class. Enter the valuation class. Enter some price here. Okay. You can continue. So this is the way we need to record. So when you record it, immediately the system will show you this screen here. Now, so what are the fields you captured here? So MBRS means industry sector. METRT means material type. 4 times you select the views when you enter here all this. Okay, we don't need to worry. Simply you need to click on default all. When you click on default all the values will be selected here. Okay. Now you need to click on save here. Click on save. You must save and you come back. So now this is my record name, record one. Okay. Again you need to come back here. Again you need to come back. Now automatically you will come to the first screen. After reaching the first screen, so just click on that and you need to click on here. Please observe carefully. If you click on here, automatically system will pick the record name. So if you click on here, so automatically system will pick the record name. Now you need to save here. Now you need to save here. The data is saved here. Now if you go back with this, we completed the first step. We completed which date, which time. This is my user ID RJM. So automatically system will goes to second step here. Okay. Then steps is reduced here. So these are the steps is enough here. Some 5 to 6 steps are automatically reduced here. Next, where we are in maintain source structure side. So simply click on execute. Go to change mode. Source structure I need to create here. Okay. So my source structure name is also I'm giving SOURCE source one. Okay. Description. What is the description here? Master data. Uploads. Source one. The name source one contains blank. Please re-enter the without blanks. Okay. What it is saying, like this you need to enter. So continue. It should not be blank. No problem. So just you created the source section. Nothing you need to do. Just I created source section. Automatically system will go to the third step here. Maintain source fields. This is important step here. Third step is most important here. Okay. So with so what I need to do, maintain source fields here. Click on execute here. Now go to change mode. The source fields, click on the source structure. If you go to table maintenance, these are all the fields I need to maintain here. Now in training system, okay, 4 views we selected, but in real time we have 100 200 fields will be there because we'll select the sales views, production views, quality views, warehouse views, values. So each and every screen will select a couple of fields. So a couple of all this, if the user wants to maintain manually, it is so there are so many mistakes and it is very difficult task here. So now when you come to the third step here please understand more carefully. Okay, also later you can go to the record. So in this case, what I need to do when I reach to third step here, again you need to go, just to go to first step. Click on object overview. So once you reach the third step, again where I need to go? I need to go to first step. Click on object overview. So here click on table. Now you will get a okay. So this is the see here. First one is the fields. Next description. Next character field. Next this is there. Okay. Now this is the way. Okay. Now what I need to do? I need to open an Excel. Just open Excel. Now come to here. So I open the Excel here. Now this table field is required. Suppose if you go to maintain source fields, if you click on execute here, so here go to change mode. My source fields will be click on table maintenance. First I require the table name, next to type, next to length, next to description here. Table name means field name, sorry, not table name. Field name, type, length, description. Field name, type, length, description. Okay. Now in this case, come to here, field name, type, length, description, right? So field name, type, length, description. Go to first one as well. Go to object overview. Click on table name. First you need to copy that. Okay. So what you need to copy here? You need to copy the field name here. Okay. So here just copy the field name. Now where exactly my field name here? Yes. Okay. Just enter the field name. Field name next. Length. Okay. Length means this is the first two word. Next length. Next length. Next type. Type, right? So type means character. Okay. Type means character. Means character will support all. Simply whether numeric or alphanumeric. So here means a character is a numeric values or alphabets, everything character will support here. Next description here. The description where you enter the description, here you enter the description. Simply sorry. Copy the description. For the description and enter the description. Okay. Now whatever you copied here, so all these four parameters need to copy. Copy. Come to here. If you maintain properly only, it will accept. Otherwise, system will not accept. Now come to third one. Third step. Go to execute here. Go to change mode. Click on source fields and click on table maintenance. No, just into control V. Enter the value length. Yes. Length tarata type tarata length ade adigandi. Okay. So that's what system is not accepting. So don't worry. Clear? మనకు సార్ ఇది తెలుసు ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఫస్ట్ ఏముంది లెంత్ ఉందా, ఫస్ట్ టైప్ ఉందా. సో టైప్ అంటే ఇక్కడ మన క్యారెక్టర్ ఫార్మేట్, లెంత్ ఈజీ, ఇంపార్టెంట్. మన రెజ్యూమ్ పెట్టేశారు కంపల్సరీ, యూ నీడ్ టు కీప్ ఇన్ యువర్ రెజ్యూమ్. ఓకే, involved in uploading. So in real time, lot of materials will be there. So come to here, all this. Now you need to copy. Copy karo. After copying, just come back. Go to execute here. Change mode. Contact maintenance. Now you need to save. Now you will save also. It will not save. But if you go back, automatically it will convert this position. Okay. So your field length, okay, industry sector, all this. Now you need to click on save. Don't forget to save here. Now you need to save. Come to here. Maintain structure relations. Your record and the structure relation in fourth step here. Okay. Execute here. Simply click on change mode. Your source structure name and your record name should be assigned here. Go to change mode, just assign. Okay. Next, what is the next step here? Maintain field mapping and conversion rules. This is also important step here. Maintain field mapping conversion rules. Go to execute here. Now this is also, instead of doing manually, first you go to change mode. I should show you, because instead of going one by one field, okay, so go to change mode. From extras, auto field mapping is there. So click on auto field mapping. You can click on enter. So one by one. Okay. So proposal one, source field. Okay. Enter all the fields to map. Now click on enter. So all the fields will be mapped. From extra step, auto field mapping. Now it is done. So this also you need to save. After this, what I need to do? So this actually, this step is not required. So if you want any fixed values, so without this step also we can perform it. So the technical people, they will write, they want to fixed values, any user defined routines. but without step is also we can perform. Now come to specified fields. Once you come to the specified files, so many times I told you, right? So we need to give the template to the end users here, okay? In my regular classes here. So what is the template? You can understand here, okay? Now the template means here. So now just you let this here. Now just delete this. So what is the template? How to provide the template here? You copy this here, okay? For all the master template, you need to provide copy, and you need to click on paste special. This is one. Copy, paste special. Here we have paste special transpose. Okay, paste special. What I need to do? Transpose. Automatically it will come like this here. Okay. So now this is the templates we need to provide you. This is the template 2 more you need to provide to the end user. So based on this template, they will fill the complete data here. Industry sector, which industry sector you is using, which material type I'm using, so how many times you check boxes. So this is the template they will fill here. Okay, but in training system I will fill some fields here. Which industry sector I'm using. Okay, so which industry sector I'm using? Mechanical. Okay, mechanical industry sector with M, right? So I'll go and I'll use some couple of fields. Now, which material type? ROH here. So generally ROH here. Okay. Like this material types also. Which material type I'm using? ROH. So what is the material type? So checkbox means you are selecting, okay, basic data like this checkboxes here. Okay, you go and 4 times you selected it. So now on this checkbox, plant means 1000 plant. Okay, plant means 1000 plant. So this 1000 plant also, if any other plant also you can enter 1000 plant. Store location, suppose if in Excel sheet if I make it 001, it will become 1. Okay, so you need to use some special indicator here. So with the special indicator you need to select 001 and 001. Okay, this is a special indicator you need to use. Now 001 only one, right? So copy the cells here. So completely 001, right? So this is what material description. So all the material description will be same, right? So now what I will do, this is on test one material. So how many number of materials we are going to create, now you can understand. Okay, come to here. So there are 19 materials we are going to create. Okay, so the base unit of measure will be PC, or some base unit of measure will be kg, like that you can enter here. Okay, so what is my material group? Material group also you need to use special indicator here, some 001. Okay, so this is the material group we are using. This is the template will be filled by the users, don't worry. Okay. Now purchase group, this is actually, what is this EKGRP means purchase group here. Okay, purchase group, which purchase group we are using is also special indicator 000 purchase group or 001 purchase group we are using. So, purchase group here. Okay, so now period indicator for self-life expiration. This is D here. So anyhow, if you are have any doubts here, okay, you go and check your record. Okay, so now I'm getting doubt. What is the period indicator? Again, you go to first here. What is the period indicator here? You can see here. Go to recording overview. Like in recording overview, you go to display. You can able to see what is my period indicator for self-life data. It is D is there. Okay. So come to here. So this is the period indicator for what exactly the value D, right? So this is what we are using. Come to here. So D here. Most important, just you need to practice. Okay, this weekend you need to practice. And valuation class actually 3000. Okay, any doubt here you can see. Valuation class means 3000, right? So valuation class 3000. Price control indicator. Price control indicator. Moving price or strong price. Okay. Moving price. Right. So moving price. Price unit 1 per unit, right? So per price unit only 1. What is moving price? So all the materials price will not be same. Okay, I can maintain the different prices also. You can see fill the series. Okay, 118. Clear? So this is the way I need to prepare the template. So these templates will be given by the users, end users. Now we need to copy the template. All the template I need to copy. Copy the template. First leave it this two. Copy this template. Go to Notepad. Notepad. Okay, so you need to we go to done. Save as. Where I need to save? My desktop. So what is the name I need to give? Kuchum. Just I'm giving test 12. Okay, so my file name is given as test 12. Okay, I'm giving my file name is test 12. It's also here. Move to it. So both I saved here. Right. So now after doing this here, so again where I need to go, I need to I'm in the specify files, right? Again we go to specify files, execute here, go to change mode, legacy data on front end here. So you need to double click here. And here you need to attach your file path. What is my file path here? Desktop and notepad I need to attach. Where exactly the notepad here? There, test 12. No, notepad. No, your name, and you must click on tablet again because it should be separate. Okay, tablet. Come continue. Comes again. You come back. Okay, you need to practice this. Assign files. So again, you go to change mode. Simply, you need to assign the files here. Again, you go back. Now you need to read the data. Click on execute here. Read the data. Click on execute. So how many files you are in? So here. So total 19 files here. 19 files is read by the system. Next, come back. Display read data. So whatever the data is read by the system, it should be displayed. It should be displayed. Okay. Now, next, convert data should be converted here. Again, you come to here and you need to click on execute here. So, converted. 19 files is converted. Other in real time, hundreds of files here, thousands of files. Now display convert data. Display convert data. Okay. So all the data is converted. You can see all the data is converted. Okay. Next, what I need to do? Create batch input session. Create batch input session. So select you keep in folders here. You select keep in folders. Click on execute here. One batch in folder, 19 transactions created. One batch input folder. Now, so this is the session name I created without any errors. If any errors, it will show you. Transition with errors. How many errors? 0 errors. How many transactions? 19 transactions. Who is created with user ID? Okay. So now this many number of screens. This also this approval process which should be approved. Select this line item In real time, it should be in background process. So because I will attach some 9,000 files, 10,000 files. So here in real time, it should be in background. You need to click on background here. But 19 files means we can see foreground. First time we are doing, you can also understand how the data is going to upload. But in real time, you must select the background. But in foreground also you can do it. So click on foreground, click on process. So automatically the system will take you MetaMaster. Okay. So this will take you MetaMaster. Now keep on enter here. Okay. Just to keep the enter. So how the file is moving, you can see. Okay. The test one material is going to create here. Next test two material is going to create here. Next test three material is going to create here. You just keep an enter button here. Okay. Automatically system is moving. And you need to create manually. So all the materials are creating automatically. So who is creating the system? System is creating, not by the user manual. Everything is creating by the. Just I need to keep on entering. You can see this is a test 6 material it is. That's why I select only 19 records. If I select more number of materials, it will take a lot of time. So test 7 material. So this is the way the master data should be uploaded to all the master. These are the steps here. Okay. So I'll post this video in the group. So just you observe this. And we also prepare one project separate object and record one session, prepare an Excel and prepare, and then you can go to the records. Easily you can upload. I think it's 15, 16. Now 17th material. Test 17 is there, right? You are able to see test 7. No, 18th material. No, 19th method, last material. You go slowly. Okay. Any mistakes, system will stop you. This is the 19th material. Okay. Yes. Now the completely one session is completed. After completing the session, so you want to see the log here. You can see your log here. Okay. Go to see the log. Yes, it is processed. Okay. And now you can see the display. So what are the materials is created? It will show you material 1798, 1799, 1800, 1801, 1802. Okay. So including it will show the time seconds also here. 14:5, 47 seconds, 54 seconds, 01 seconds. Time which material you created, everything you can see. Okay, this is the way you need to at a time you need to upload called LSNW. Okay. LSNW is a legacy system migration on bench. So just to practice. Okay, Yashaswan Lakshmi, this is one important topic. Just you also practice. We'll see it. So Monday onwards, we'll see like master data transition the customization classes here. Okay. This is also one of the important real-time classes.
Okay, Rajesh.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay.